Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Fiesta CL Hatch, stock reference number 4995. This shape runs from the 7th month 2008 through to the 8th month 2013. It has a 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, a set of 15-inch CSA 10-spoke alloy mags with good tyres, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has two small dents, left rear 15-inch CSA 10-spoke alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch CSA 10-spoke alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 15-inch CSA 10-spoke alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack control panel, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.